All right, guys, time for break number 20 of our Super Break First Time Multi-Sport. This one, and I've got two more behind it, and then that'll be it. So you've got one graded buyback card per box. Most of you guys know the drill on this. Chance to pull some big names, big cards out of baseball, basketball, football, all the major sports. So it's a random last name letter break. Every spot's going to give you two random last name letters. So Chad, you've got two spots in this. Tim, you've got three. Seth's got two. And then William coming in clutch with the last three spots. And then you guys will also be included in the random to win spots in our free giveaway, free break at the end of the night. This Vikings-Bears game's getting out of hand. All right, so two last name letters per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So Chad, you've got last name letters A, W, V, and H. Seth's got N, P, M, and J. Tim with G, L, K, C, F, and S. And then William, you've got D, T, B, R, Y, and E. All right, so there you go. All right, guys, good luck. Dude, this is a cool one, man. I remember this one. 1992 Upper Deck Shaq. It's the trade card in a PSA 8. That was the card, man, when he came out. What a cool card. I have no idea. It's probably mass overproduced. I don't know what the pop count is on that. But that's a cool one. So that's going to be last name letter O, which we don't have an O. That was one of the letters we got rid of. So this is going to be a random. All right, so let's randomize the guys that are in this. So we'll randomize it 5 times. The name at the top after 5 is going to be the winner. So here we go. Good luck, guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going out to Tim. So Tim, nice hit, man. So we'll drop that card in the mail to you tomorrow.